Climb Racing fans. Today we're gonna head into our cups, get our red chest taken care of here, 10 race wins. So let's try to do that, and we'll start off with rally car here. See if we can come out of the gate with some wins tonight. We got another rally car. That could be trouble. But we all know I'm a better driver, right? Uh-oh, that's not good. Got a racing truck that's beating me out. All right, not a win. Not a win out of the gate tonight. Oh boy. All right, here we go. I don't know how that racing truck did all whatever the heck that was. Now I got a rally car that's ahead of me. Okay, so race number 2 is our first win. And it shows that we can beat that racing truck. So I don't know where he came out of the weeds for that first race to take the win, but let's hope we can get a win on him here again in the third race. We need to beat these other guys too, otherwise it's still not a win. That's not going to work. All right, we only got 1 out of the 3. We do get the cup win. That's good. Day 6 here. All right, let's go race Forgotten Highway here. Only got 1 out of 10 so far, I think. Yeah. All right, so we got another rally car in this one. Yeah, looks like he's having a hard time though, so maybe we'll do all right. Might be a good place to pick up 3 wins if I can keep my act together here. What's that EV car coming? Oh man, I think I just blew this thing. Got to talking too much, and I guess it is another 500 meters. Maybe I can find these guys and get ahead of them again. I'm not seeing them. Where are you guys at here? Well, one of them's nearby. There's the other one. I don't think I got enough room to get them though. All right, second place. It's only a single race cup there. All right, Rocky Road. Boy, things are tough tonight, guys. Not getting my wins. Need to knock about 3 at a time out here. Fourth place. We don't do fourth place around here. Come on. Okay, there's second, but we're not going to get a red win out of that. All right, keep her going. Okay, maybe something here, huh? Oh, that monster truck. Okay, there we go. Got our second win. That was a hard-fought struggle to get to that. All right, let's see if we can get one more here. What's that guy doing with that diesel? It's like he's not driving, he's on some brand of flying, which I don't know if that's working out. I think he's done for. All right, keep her moving. Okay, now hopefully somebody will come flying by right at the end. All right, so we got a couple wins out of this one. Got the cup win. All right, we got that cup win. we're going to start that and keep her running here, running hard. I missed my perfect start again. I haven't hit one of those yet tonight. Okay. Hold it together, that's what we say. There we go. There's a win. A couple more of those would be nice. We're not burning too much of our roof yet. Oh, see, that didn't help. All right. I was worried about those air blasters doing that to somebody. There's a little burning of the roof there. Everybody gets the blast. Hopefully that blast, well, I guess we got that blast. All right. So we got 5 races down. We made a task out of that too. All right. We're going to keep running here. We're up to 5. This is taking forever. Sorry, guys. Having a hard night of it. Wow. Not doing well against that crowd. Second and third place is not going to get us to 10 very quickly here. I always wonder about these guys that can race off the line that fast with the tank. Maybe I just need to spend a pile of money on mine. It sure seems to be super unstable. And I flip over backwards like so easy. Alright, so we got one more win, so we should be at 6. Not a perfect start again. How does this tank guy not bang the roof and end himself? Alright, we got another win. We really needed it. Up to 7. Miner's Mile. It's a single stage. So we can't finish out here. But one more now means we only need 2 out of maybe that next 3 pack or 3 race cup that will be after this. So let's try this. We normally can get ahead of all these guys by the time we get for a mile. And I always thought this game was done in meters, so not quite sure why they call it Miner's Mile. It'd be Miner's Kilometer or something. I'm way behind on these guys. Now maybe we got it. Just gotta finish it though. Burn a little roof, a little tap tap, off goes the shell. 2:30 to go. Just keep her rolling, guys. Okay. Into the fire. All right. 8 out of 10. Capital race. Let's try and finish this guy out. Need 2 out of this one. Maybe we can do that. The DV's running pretty strong. Hopefully we can pick him out of here in the next couple hundred. Hopefully we don't fall further behind him. Burn some roof. And we're out to the finish line. Okay, good. All right, so we got 2 more races. Hopefully we can, I just missed my perfect start. Hopefully we can get at least 1 more out of the next 2. Going low on this. That's a kind of a positive, so I didn't smack the end of it like I'm going to do right here. Oh, see, I didn't win that. All right. All right. Got to get this time because I'm wanting this thing to finish up. These are some medium length races at about 400 or so. This could be good. I don't know what that other guy did, but oh, that's so close. And we didn't win. Okay, let's run over and find it. Okay, guys, I got to the 10. I thought I had to win one more. Okay. Maybe it messed up. I'll have to watch that again. All right, so we got our chest. Let's go collect our task, which was 5 races. Done. And let's just do a quick check-in on my team. I'm at 652 km with just a day to go, so maybe we can get about 800. I haven't run the reunion tour race yet, but our team has a terrible time right now. We're in Division One, and I'm guessing we are not that strong anymore. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and that's our 10 races with the rally car, and some very hard fought time to get them, to get the 10 wins.